Hello guys, I am Ishant. Welcome back to my channel BCM. So friends, this is our first CSS tutorial because the last one was only the introduction. So in this tutorial we will learn about our first CSS property, that is how to align a text or an image to the right, left or center of the browser. So without wasting the time, let's begin with the tutorial. So friends, you can see I have opened HTML document on my left side and web browser on my right side. So first of all, I will link my this styling.css file to my HTML document. So to check that if it is linked or not, I will open my styling.css page, and in it I will write I will give this symbol, and in it I will write background color is equal to gray. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see gray color added to the browser. So means this file is linked to my HTML document. Okay. So first of all, I will write heading tag in my document, and in it I will write I am a heading. After that, I will give paragraph tag in the document, and in it I will write hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the heading and paragraph inserted on the browser. So to align the heading in the center, I will go to my styling page, and in it I will write heading h1, and in it I will write text align is equal to center. I will write text because it is a text. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the text aligned to the center. So to align the paragraph to the center, I will give same property to it, and when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the paragraph aligned to the center. We can also make it right, aligned to the right or left. So I will remove the center property, and I will write there right. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the text aligned to the right. So I will make it again center. Okay. So to learn how to align images to the center, I will write image tag in the HTML document, and in it I will write the address of the images that I have stored in it. Okay. So now I have given all the image tag, and now I will go to the styling page, and in it I will define its width. I will write width is equal to 150 pixel. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the width turned to 150 pixel. But to align the image to the center, I have to write div tag in the HTML document. So I will write div tag in the HTML document, and in the styling page I will give styling to the div. So I will write display is equal to flex. This property will insert the images in a single row. Okay. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the images inserted in a single row. So the next property is the flex wrap. This property moves the images according to the size of the browser. Okay, so you can see it here, but when I comment the property, you can see the image gets partially removed from the browser if the size of the browser is lesser. So the next property is justify content. This property will align the images in the center from the right and the left side. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the same changes added to the images. So after that, if you give align items property or align content property, and when you save it and refresh the browser, you can see no changes added to the image, because the height of the images is only this much. So to align the images, in the center from the top and the bottom side, I have to define height. So I will define height in the div tag. I will write height is equal to 500 pixel. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the images aligned to the center from the top and the bottom. After that, I will give margin property in the image element to give a little space between the images. So I will write margin is equal to 10 pixel. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the margin added between the images. So now I will remove the division tag and the image tag. And friends, if you want to align the heading tag or paragraph tag in the center from the top and the bottom side, you can repeat the same process with it. That means you can give division tag before it, and you can give styling to the division tag, as you can give height and you can give justify content, align items, and you can also give align content, and the heading or paragraph will also get aligned to the center like this. So friends, this was aligning property. This much for today. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share the video, and also comment the video that how the video was, and please subscribe my channel. So see you in next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.